welcome to my blog, the electrical engineering lectures. So don't forget to like, share. So I will show you the magnet contactors. So this is the I give you the specification and one of them what is the function and then the diagram of this magnetic contactor, how to operate. Okay, so that is the circuit breaker and then put to the circuit breaker. So I show you. This is the content. There is an parts, working, wiring diagram. So magnetic contactors. A contactor is an electrically controlled switch used for switching an electrical power circuit. So next, because if you install the 3-phase motor, so this is the I'll show you how to connect the and then the function of this magnetic contactor. So this is the parts. So I will show you. There is magnet coil. So there is A1 and A2. That is the magnet coil. So either your 220 or 400 volts the supply. So there is line 1, line 2 and line 3. Okay, this incoming main contact. So out main contact. So there is T1, T2 and T3 for the out contact. This is 3 line. So and then there is an auxiliary contact. So there is normally open, and there is normally closed. That one is normally open, that one. So this is the normally open. That is the auxiliary contact. That is an holding contact. If we want to start, and then there's a holding contact. Okay, that is the plunger. You know, the plunger. Next, this is the working. So there is an red line, main supply. There is three contacts and main contactor, that one. So this one. So there is red, yellow and blue. Okay, that's line 1, line 2, line 3, and then there is the magnetic, you know, the circle. That is the synchronized for the magnetic field. So this is the coil and iron core. So and then the auxiliary contact. There is normally closed and normally open. NC is normally closed. So now the energizing. So that is the load. So that now it's running. And then the contact is closed. And then the normally open is auxiliary contact is going to close. Okay, if you turn off the switch and then normally closes. Yeah, now see, normally open and normally close. That one is for the auxiliary contact. So the line 1 and neutral, that is the aux. You see, the magnet coil. So the line 220 volts, and then the neutral. This is the operation of the magnetic contactor. Okay, so this is the diagram. So there is the blue one, blue, yellow, red. So there is one contact number 1, 3 and 5, 2, 4, 6. See, RST, it means line 1, line 2, line 3. And then there is the KM1, it means that one is for the magnetic coil. So magnet coil, there's the yellow one going to the 3-piece motor for the load side. So there is, and then there is the square one, the rectangle one. So that one is for the overload, OL, overload. For example, so this one, for example, this is the magnet coil. See, line 1 goes to 10 amperes, and then there is an overload. That one is overload relay. So going to normally close, that is on off, and then the auxiliary line is number 13, the on, so that is the push button. So that is this is the coil. So that one is magnetic coil 1. So going to the neutral, so there is 10 amperes use. Okay, so if you push that one on, if you turn on that one, and then the auxiliary contact for the key M2 is going to normally close contact. Okay, that one, so that this area, so, and then see, there is a magnet coil. Okay, and then for example, if you if you turn off the button, that one is normally closed, turn off, and then the supply for the magnet coil, that one, so this one, so, and then automatic turn off. So there is a switching voltage, and then the rated current, number of main poles, so that is the specification, and then no number of auxiliary contact, coil voltage. So it means the coil voltage is it means there is a 220 or 440 volts, so, or 400 volts, and then the frequency is, there is two frequency, 50 and 60 hertz. So, and then the auxiliary contact mounting. Okay, that's it. And then thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.